Good afternoon, Team Tutor. My name is Ana Carolina Villate Torres, and today I'm going to read the IPA alphabet. So let's get started. First, vowel sounds. E, sheep. E, sheep. U, good. U, shoot. E, bed. E, teacher. E, bird. O, door. A, cat. A, up. A, far. O, on. Now the diphthongs. Ear, here. A, wait. Ua, tourist. Oi, boy. O, show. Ea, hair. I, my. Ow, cow. Now the consonant. P, pia. B, boat. T, tea. D, dog. Ch, cheese. J, June. K, car. G, go. F, fly. V, video. Th, think. Th, this. Z, see. Z, zoo. Sh, shall. J, television. Men. Now. Sing. Hat. L, laugh. Wreath. W, wet. Y, yes. So that's all. Thank you and have a great day.